roll number 40256. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Margin G. Ponyo. I'm 35 years old. I'm single. I have 3 kids, 2 daughter and 1 son, 14 years old, 9 years old, and 4 years old. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters. I have the youngest of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
High school graduate in the Pagbilao Grande Island National High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
To earn of money for future of my kids.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, but I have experience in the Philippines taking old and 12 years.
What can you do for elderly?
I have changed diaper and prepare food and medicine.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes,
What can you do for children and babies?
I have changed clothes and diaper and feeding.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cooking. I have cooking like Filipino food, menudo and adobo.
Describe yourself as an housemate.
Honest, hardworking, and responsible.
Your misunderstanding for employer, what do you do?
Sorry,
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
I have good relation and
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
I will do my best to work with you.